action. I'm Ronnie, this is Shari, and this is Shut Up and Drink.
For our first official review, we decided to do canned cocktails. All over the market right now. Have fun with it.
Yeah, have fun.
Taste
and,
other people's creations.
And we get to drink.
But no, Cutwater, I think they're based out of San Diego. I'm sure they're national. They have a lot in their line. I think they have at least like 10 flavors.
Well,
so
I do love that on the top. It's because it's made with award-winning real spirits produced and canned by Cutwater Spirits, San Diego, California.
yes. So a little back info. Today we're gonna taste the mango margarita.
And the just lime tequila. That's just a margarita, right?
Yeah. Can you say the name of this one and show our lovely audience
Cutwater.
what it's called?
Lime tequila margarita.
What's that? What is that?
Cutwater tequila
Cutwater.
with natural orange, lime, and triple sec flavors.
Yes, and it says natural flavors, which anyone in the beverage industry knows a lot of things fall into that category.
Cocaine is natural.
It's a category of mystery. But we're gonna give this an honest go. But let's just discuss the fact that this one can of 12 ounces it says it has 2 ounces plus of tequila. I don't know what the plus means, but it says it has 2+ ounces of tequila.
No, 2 plus. Well, yeah,
2 plus shots.
2 plus shots.
Oh, so it's 4 ounces.
That'd be 4 ounces of tequila.
Woof. But it's only 12.5%.
I guess it depends on the bar you're going to.
Anywho, it is 360 calories for the can. So for you out there, counting them calories.
You're cutting calories. Just drink vodka straight. Okay, let's hold on. I'm going to read some more of this. Known as the most popular cocktail in America, which is actually kind of true, the margarita is a San Diego favorite featuring bold tequila aroma with bright notes of lime and a splash of orange in the mix. Refreshing and balanced.
I'm going to just go on a hunch here and say it's going to be really sweet.
No,
honestly, we're going to go with a 1 to 10 review, 10 being like, this is the most fabulous thing I've ever tasted in my life. I'm never going to stop drinking it ever. And 1 is like literally just never open it, throw it in the trash, burn it, dumpster fire, whatever.
Yeah.
Awful.
Yeah.
Awful.
All right, let's do this.
See how it goes. Let's do this.
2 cubes?
Thanks, man. 2 cubes.
2 cubes, yeah.
Do you shake it?
Do I?
Do you give it a shake? But I think this is
not
sparkling.
Not sparkling. Like
I'm kind of chatty right now.
It smells like tequila.
No, it smells like high fructose corn
syrup.
Yeah, no, okay. It smells like tequila. It smells like margarita mix. It's to be expected.
The orange one.
Yeah, it's like so green and yellow. It's almost orange.
Not being mean, we're being honest.
It's honest.
We're not being sponsored.
I can't look at your face. Let's talk about the positives first.
Not for kids, folks.
I mean,
it's not terrible.
Not condoning this. No, not until you're 21. But I'm just saying, it's sweet. It is sweet.
Yeah, because our first drinks are at 21.
Absolutely.
I don't dislike it. Okay.
I've had worse.
If you hand this to me and it's a hot summer day and this is what we're drinking, I'll fucking drink it.
I get that.
You gotta catch up. I'm drinking a lot. The tequila, it has a Blanco tequila flavor. Actually, it doesn't taste as sweet as I thought it was gonna.
I can go with that. It definitely tastes like sour mix. And, for your bartenders out there or people that are used to just kind of like that margarita that's thrown together at a local pub.
Yeah.
Just, that's what it tastes like. The look is really cool. It looks like a really crisp, skinny margarita you get at a really nice, restaurant.
They're not using any dyes, which is good.
It doesn't taste like lime to me, though, I will say.
It tastes like citrus.
It's citrus.
I would love for them to reach out, and we can do more videos with them, but I feel like
I would love to taste your lemon iced.
I want to taste all of your...
And the White Russian.
The whole... Cutwater. Hi. How's it going? Please send us samples. We will gladly review everything you have. It's not bad.
No, doesn't he look like he belongs in the Big Lebowski? I mean, come on, White Russian,
We love White Russians. They do use real tequila.
There's real tequila that they distill themselves. They actually have they make their own spirits, so they have their own distillery. So this is their own Blanco tequila.
It's citrusy. It's not limey. It specifically says lime tequila.
No, I want that like bite where
Margarita.
your mouth kind of does a little pucker.
A little
because
bitter.
you know it's like fresh lime.
But this doesn't have that bitterness that a lime has. I mean, I could pour another shot of tequila in it. It'd be great.
And a squeeze of lime. And
Basically, I don't hate it.
your
I mean,
head somewhere.
I'm drinking it, so I clearly don't dislike it.
I can't wait to see what happens after number 2.
It's sweet though.
Like the pineapple lifesaver, that
Yeah.
like clear, almost clear, like white lifesaver, or like the yellow lifesaver. It kind of tastes like that to me. And last note, I actually like the packaging.
And then you have the agave plant actually on the back.
Yes.
Which I do appreciate that. I like that.
I do. Okay, the negatives.
It does say, this is one of my biggest pet peeves as a chef, is when I see where to go. My issue is this.
Yeah.
Tequila with natural orange, lime, and triple sec flavors.
It really can.
Really can
like,
be
we
anything.
started kind of here, like just background on me. Definitely owned my own beverage company and manufacturing facility for 8 years, and I was very much the label girl there. And that natural flavors word is tough in the natural beverage industry. People don't like it. But in this industry, it is what it is. No one's looking at that. They're looking at the price point, which I think is also around $3.50. They sell them in 4 packs for like $14 or so.
Yeah.
So good to know what the price point is. It's a decent price point. You're not going to find a margarita at any bar that I know of that's $3.50.
No.
Which has 2 shots in it.
Two shots.
Another bonus. I'm taking this all in as I work towards my final score.
Yeah. It's too sweet.
I can't get through more than
It doesn't use. It's not using. For me, it doesn't taste like real lime.
Yeah.
It tastes like
Mountain Dew.
Like a Mountain Dewy.
Okay.
Yeah.
You like Mountain Dew?
It's too sweet. There's not enough tequila
Flavor
like
it's masked.
in it. The triple sec.
It's got training wheels on it.
Triple sec flavor.
It's not triple sec.
It tastes like triple sec.
No, because that would make it too like alcohol-y. I don't know what the rules are in terms of these types of canned
liquors.
cocktails.
Oh,
Like how high
yeah.
can the alcohol content be? I don't know if there's like
that's
a rule.
Oh, I didn't think about
Maybe
that.
they
I don't
need
even
to
know.
kind of like.
Maybe it has to be under a certain percentage.
Right. I don't know.
It's not bad. I mean, I drank my whole thing.
You did.
I'm thirsty.
Is not so. And then the other downside, like for anybody that is working out, watching out, like eating healthy, it's really hard to stomach 360 calories. I know that sounds like a rude way to say it, but like I've had worse. You like are setting a tone for how like tough we are on things.
Oh, but
I also don't want to be an ass.
But I don't care about that. This doesn't suck.
Person. It's not something that I could drink. And in the calorie content alone.
I don't watch calories, if you couldn't tell. But
he's not kind to himself. Self-love.
It's a lot of calories. 1 can is the equivalent of about, how many did you say it was? 327? The calories.
360.
360. That's the equivalent of 3 margaritas.
I mean, if
In
you're
calories.
making a skinny margarita, yeah.
Score. I'm gonna go above 5.
Okay.
I'm gonna say it is a 5.5.
Wow.
5.5.
Cutwater, that's good. I think we're gonna be tough critics here, so maybe he's the good guy.
Maybe.
Is kind of like an unknown right now, but I'm going 4.9, and that's that. It's got to be below
4.9. All right.
Yeah,
so
4.9.
So we got 5.5 and a 4.9.
Yeah, I mean,
All right.
listen, check it out if you like something that is very like kind of sweet, life savory. I'm sure it's gonna get you buzzed, and it's a good price point. Just getting a
definitely.
sense.
Yeah. No, we're not alcoholics. I'm an aficionado of liquor.